morning guys. चलो उठते हैं. So I just woke up guys. मैंने अभी अपना मुंह भी नहीं धोया है and I was thinking कि क्या प्लान करते हैं आज. So I thought कि आज I'm going to film a day in my life video. I'm sorry for messy hair and everything messy because I just woke up. It's 9:30 right now and yeah मैं just उठी हूँ अभी नींद से. So I thought कि I'm going to film a day in my life today with you all. I'm going to share a day in my life and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So for all you guys, you know that I am at Sweeney's place currently. I'm in Delhi. I'm not in Pune, I'm in Delhi and yeah, now I'm going to first get freshen up and then I'm going to make my bed and then I'm going to have the favorite thing in the morning, my cup of tea. So guys, I just did my brush and I got freshen up and now I'm going to make the bed. So guys, this is my breakfast. I have made cheese garlic toast and some dosa with tomato ketchup and hari chutney. This is my breakfast. By the way, Sweeney is already having her meal, her breakfast meal. Sweeney, how's it? How it is? Yummy. Yummy. Hi guys, so just now I just completed, just finished completing my Instagram video. Because Instagram is something I feel guys, I have to create content every day I upload pictures or videos. So nowadays I'm more towards Instagram videos. So yeah, that's what is the day looks like. Abhi it is almost 2 o'clock and now I am just going to clean this mess which I have created here and then most probably I'm going to have lunch, so I'm going to catch you there. Alright guys, so I'm making pav bhaji right now. Here is मैंने प्याज और टमाटर मैश करने हैं. अभी मैंने इसको बटर में आई एम जस्ट फ्राइंग अप एंड ये मैं सब्जियां बॉईल करने जा रही हूँ. Now let's see how this done because today is my kitchen day guys. So you'll see me cooking in kitchen today. Hi guys, welcome back. So we just had a cup of tea and yeah, you know, after lunch the last time I was vlogging it was like I was making lunch. So we had pav bhaji and after that we ate so much that we both were dozing off, so we slept and now Sweeney, what are
Hi
you doing?
guys, no, I'm not feeling well from last few days, so I'm being a sleeping beauty and she has taken over my kitchen.
So we are going to share a big news with you all. For that you need to wait for a little more. Yeah, so that's what the day looks like, guys. We just had our evening tea. Hi guys, welcome back. So, जो मेरा last clip में था, I was sharing that I just saw Gully Boy today, and बात करते करते I'm also going to do my night skincare guys, because that's what I really want to do right now. So I'm not going to share any products with you. So I was watching this movie Gully Boy guys, and a few days back on Instagram, everywhere it was some of the famous celebrities, they were saying that you were बिल्कुल अच्छी movie नहीं, it's like बहुत ही वाहियात, it's not a good movie to watch. What do you think guys? I am not so fond of the movie, but I do not even dislike the movie. I really like how Ranveer Singh has enacted in the movie and even Alia Bhatt. So I really like that. So yeah, you can like comment down and tell me, do you also love watching or do you like Gully Boy or not? Comment down and tell me. So guys, first product I'm using a face wash. My night skincare is really very simple, guys. I really do not do a very haywire kind of thing. I keep it very simple. So yeah, I'm back. I have washed my face and I feel so fresh, guys. Guys, do remember that whenever you're wiping up your face, do not just rub it, because your face skin is the most sensitive skin. So the next product I'm going to use is this Neemly product. This is my under eye cream. Sweeney is also using this under eye cream. I have used a lot of product, guys. And this much is sufficient for my eye, under eye. I'm going to warm the product on my finger first. While you have to apply it anti-clockwise, guys, like this. Do not apply like this. You have to apply it like this. So under eye game is done. Now the next product I am gonna use is it's from Wow. I have also spoken about this product earlier. This is their sleeping mask, Wow sleeping mask, and it really helps a lot, guys. ये मुझे बहुत ही benefit है. So guys, yeah, as I was talking about the movies, my night this is my night skincare ritual which I rigorously do. But also, guys, during lockdown, this is a habit which have come in me. Do you guys love watching series? I guess everyone is binge watching on Netflix, Amazon, everywhere. So and since जब से मैं दिल्ली आई हूँ, ऐसा हो रहा है कि me and Sweeney we both are like, I and Sweeney we both are like watching one series or one movie which we like or which we love to see it again. Also we do it. So I have seen Arya a few days back and I really like it. It was such a great series and Sushmita has done really very good acting. Also, guys, last night I watched Cheesecake. Cheesecake is on Sony Max, है
Max
Max Play.
Max Player. PVF.
Yeah, Cheesecake is a TVF series and it is on Max Play. If you love dog, if you're a pet lover, I would highly recommend to watch that. You'll fall in love with that series. And if you ever get bored and you want to, just chill out and you want to see something, what do not apply on your under eye, guys, okay? Because under eye already product hai. So watch What the Folks, WTF. Oh my god, I really do not know how many times I have watched WTF. उसके सारे season, 3 seasons and I have watched all the 3 seasons. Do not forget your neck also, guys. It's very important. And I have gained so much of weight, guys. So much. I guess life में मैंने इतना weight पहली बार gain किया है. I'm going to use this lip balm from Laneige. It is such a great lip balm. This is their sleeping mask, by the way. I'll show it more closer to you. I'll bring it more closer. This is their lip sleeping mask, and if you really want that soft pumpy lips, use this in the night. And I swear, guys, this is such a great product. Meaning to tell you that this is such a great product, guys. So do give it a shot. It's a no color lip balm. It's not a lip balm, guys. It's a lip mask. I'm all set, guys. And yeah, before I go to bed, guys, one more important thing. I always apply cream. This is also Wow has sent me this cream. This is their body butter and hand cream both. I am going to take in good amount, like a pretty good amount. I'm going to massage it on my palm and I'm going to spread it. I'm going to run the product all over my hands, my palm, So you know, when I wake up in morning, I do not have that dryness on my hand because I have this weird habit of washing my hand every now and then. Not only because of it's the virus thing going around, but I have this very weird habit that मुझे हाथ धोना बहुत पसंद है. मैं हर थोड़ी थोड़ी में if I touch anything or if I go and use anything, I either sanitize or I wash my hand, guys. So this is done. And who doesn't like to wake up with good fragrance? So again, guys, this is not a sponsored video, guys, कि मैं सारे wow के products दिखा रही हूँ. But yeah, because the brand has sent me, so I'm definitely going to use it. This is their mist, which I'm going to spray it a little bit on my hands also. A little more. Goes long way long. And oh, such a great fragrance. Apart from products, guys, do remember that you have to drink loads and loads of water to keep your skin hydrated and to get that wrinkle-free skin. That's what I am actually following in this time. I am having loads and loads of water and I can see the results. Though abhi मैंने start किया है, it's been just few days, I would say 10-20 days ही हुए हैं अभी, but I can see a great difference, a huge difference in my skin. So drink lots of water, guys. I guess I need water because I'm talking so much. So that's it, guys. I am going to end the vlog right now and I hope you all enjoyed watching this because I just love filming vlogs and I just enjoy it. I'm going to soon come up with a new vlog. Till then, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and do comment on and tell me, guys, what products you are using for your night skincare or how do you take care of your skin. Till then, take care. Bye.